welcome to my channel. This is Lisa, aka Lethea Rogers. If this is your first time here, welcome. Welcome to the gang. I have a unit that I got from Sameless Beauty, and it is a Freetress equal silver star wig, and I think this is a easy slay, no lace to cut, silver star lace part wig. So we're gonna see what this baby is about. Look at these curls. Okay. Well, let's see what she's about. This is the SS031B. I'm so sorry, guys. Curling iron safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Silver star. This is shake and go. This feels like a soft yaki type. Almost mimics your own hair. See that? It is eclipse. But she does have some demarcation in the front. I didn't see that. Right there. And this unit, this video is not sponsored. I built this with my own ching. Also, the units that's on this channel, I built. So I'm gonna put some powder on it. I got this medium brown. You can get it from your local beauty supply store. I missed you guys. Look at the curls on there. I was just trying to see which way you want to wear this. This cap size look kind of small. Well, I do have a little small head. Let's see. No lace to cut. A little bit baby hairs on here. If I want to be looking there. It just push your leg cap back so. And it fits. I got room. I have a little huffage here. I'm gonna put some a little bit. And not too much. You don't want to bury it. But I say up to 400, so. This cute little wig. Pop on and go. Which it has a baby earrings, but I won't be using it. Very minimum shedding. Right? Few strands of shed off. Or should you cover your edges? I don't have any, so. It just too weird to be. I just like it. Okay, do you guys see this? You see that? Okay, on the scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give this this is my own opinion. I'm gonna give this a 10 because this is a quick, easy sleep. I have no issues. I like it. Put it in my collection with the rest of my 100 wigs that I have, maybe 200. What do you guys think? Put your comments in the link below. Not in the link, but put your comments in the. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Let's talk about it. Tell me, guys, what do you guys think? Like, comment, and subscribe. And share this video with your friends. the cousin, your auntie, your mama, the sister. Yeah, everybody. But anyway, I like this, y'all. Oh, and the baby hairs. But anyway, share the video, guys. Till next time. I'll see you guys till later. Peace.